Okay, we'll begin with disjunction. Disjunction, this is disjunction or gate, और बोलते हैं disjunction or disjunction, and it is denoted by the symbol this V. So this is the symbol for disjunction or बोलेंगे या disjunction बोलेंगे या this symbol we use. Okay, let P and Q be proposition. Am I audible? Let P and Q be proposition. Disjunction of P and Q is denoted by P और Q. P और Q दो proposition है और इनका disjunction कैसे denote किया है? P और Q. So when both P and Q are false, then only the compound P और Q is false. अगर दोनों false होंगे तभी ये false होगा. Otherwise it is true for rest of the statement. Like suppose if I say first proposition as 20 minus 10 equal to 10. This is my first proposition. This is my first proposition. This is first proposition, that is P. This is second proposition, Q. So P is 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Is this statement true? 20 minus 10 equal to 10. Is this statement true? Okay. 2 is an even number. Is it true? So if both the statements are true, then what will be the result? Like we have seen for the false. Okay, so this, according to this statement, if both the statements are false, then only the compound is false. Otherwise it is true. Otherwise it is true means what? If first proposition is true, second is true, result is true. If first is true, second is false, the end is the result is true. The first proposition is false, second is true, the result is, if both are false, the result is false. So according to this example, 20 minus 10 equal to 10, this proposition is true, and 2 is an even number. This proposition is also true, so the result is true, right? Let's take first proposition, that same, your name is Rita and your age is or I'll use disjunction, your age is 18. Okay, now what will be the result for disjunction? Your first proposition is your name is Rita, second proposition is your age is 18. So what is the result of disjunction? If the value of first proposition, the correct value of first proposition is Sunita and the age is 19. So according to this, what is the result? What is the result? First proposition says that it is your name is Rita and your age is 18, but actual value is your name is Sunita and the age is 19. Both the statements are false, then the result is false. This is false, this is false, so the result is false. This is false because this is not true, this is not true, so the result is false. Let's take for example, if this becomes 9 18, suppose if this becomes 18, first proposition is matching Sunita, your name is here, actual name is Sunita, and the proposition says the name is Rita. This is false. Okay, proposition says your age is 18 and your age is 18 correctly. So which line, which result is true? So this is false, this is true and the result is true. Similarly, you check for the third statement where this is, suppose Rita and the age is suppose 20. So this is according to the second line where the first proposition is true, second proposition is false and the result is true. So this is our OR. ये हमारा क्या है? OR. This is OR. Right. Now I'll just show you the truth table for 3. Suppose there are 3 variables. Suppose there are 3 variables. P, Q, R, and the result is P or Q or R. Okay, so if this is true, result is true. This is true, false. देखो स्क्रीन पे देखो ना, ट्रू तो रिजल्ट ट्रू आ जाएगा. If any of the statement is true, if any of the condition is true, if any of the proposition is true, result is true. Okay, I'll just write the result later on. True, false, true, false, false, true, false. How do you write the table? Last class I told you how to create the table. Okay, let's see again. There are 4 2t, 4 false, 2t true, 2 false, 2 true, 2 false, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. This is how do you construct a table. Now just make or disjunction here, P or Q or V or R. Okay, disjunction use करना है. Now if any of the preposition is true, the result is true. This is true, this is true, this is true. All are true, result is true. P and Q are true, result is true. P and R true. इसका क्या आएगा? True. Next. Last. Right. Okay. This is OR. This is table for OR. Can we make for four variables? 4 variables के कितने combination आएंगे? How many combination you will get for 4 variables? 16. Okay, and how many true in that case and how many false in that case if we use disjunction? 16 में combinations होंगे 16. All are true except 1. 15 लास्ट वाला जिसमें चारों conditions, चारों preposition false होंगे, वही वाला false होगा. समझ में आया? आगे बढ़ूं? Okay. Now let's create a truth table for this. Negation of P or negation of Q. How do you create truth table for this? Negation of P and negation of Q. What is this? पहले PQ लिखेंगे. this is true, 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 false. Okay, this is false, true, false, false. Okay, now we'll write negation of P. Okay, we'll write negation of P. Okay, P का negation करना है. ये P है, true है, तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? What will you get over here? False. अरे negation वाला, do you remember उल्टा होता है. ये true का क्या आएगा? False. This false, true. Very good. This false का true. Only result you say. हाँ, result बोलना है, सिर्फ result बोलो. ओके, Q का negation, true का, false का, फिर ये true का false, and then this false is also true. Now I have to create a negation of P or negation of Q. This symbol is called as negation. This symbol is called as OR. Okay, OR, disjunction, OR. So FF, false, 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 true, 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 false, true, true, true. अबे ट्रू ट्रू, कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा. फॉल्स ट्रू करते रहते हैं. ये क्या है? ट्रू ट्रू. ये वाली लाइन देखनी है ना, सिर्फ इतना ही देखना है. ओनली यू हैव टू सी दिस. फॉल्स फॉल्स विल गिव यू फॉल्स. और है ये और डिजंक्शन. दिस इज और डिजंक्शन. दिस इज, दोनों में से कोई भी ट्रू तो रिजल्ट इज ट्रू. दोनों में से कोई भी ट्रू द रिजल्ट इज ट्रू. दोनों, बोथ आर ट्रू द रिजल्ट इज ट्रू. राइट. Okay, I'll draw one more here. Negation of P वॉइस बंद करो बेटा, म्यूट कर लो, म्यूट करो. I am recording this lecture also because those who are not able to join, they can see, view the video. Okay, this symbol is for and. This is for and conjunction. P and Q. P and Q means if any of the preposition is false, the result is false. So if both are false, false, you will get false here. If false, true, you will get false. True, false, you will get false here. If both are true, you will get true. क्या? इंटीग्रेशन नहीं है यहाँ पे. इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं है. ये मैथ्स 12th वाली नहीं है. कंजंक्शन निगेशन कल का क्लास अटेंड नहीं किया तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. ओके, व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस? द रिजल्ट ऑफ लास्ट कॉलम, व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट. इन दोनों का क्या करना है मुझे, दिस इज एंड, इन दोनों को एंड करना है, एंड दिस इज फॉल्स, this is false, false, and the last is true, right? Okay, shall I move forward, shall I repeat it? सबको समझ में आ गया है कैसे ट्रू फॉल्स लिखना है? सी इन केस ऑफ कंजंक्शन, अगेन आई विल रिपीट दोज हु हैव जॉइन्ड राइट नाउ, दिस इज माय, this is my negation. Negation can also be represented as negation. This is the symbol for negation, this is the symbol for negation, और this. तो हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, ये P का negation, ये P का negation, ये P का negation. These are the 4 ways in which negation can be written. ये पहला तरीका, ये दूसरा तरीका, ये तीसरा तरीका. negation means what, opposite of what is the proposition. जो proposition है उसका opposite. अगर ये true है तो result false होगा, अगर ये false है तो result true होगा. that is negation. negation can be represented as tilde P or this symbol P or P dash. This conjunction and, this is conjunction and, this is the symbol for and. Conjunction, conjunction means if both the statements are true, the result is true. If either of the statement is false, the result is false. दोनों में से कोई भी एक false होगा, the result is false. So if both the statements are true, then only the result is true. If both the statements are true, the result is true. If either of the statement is false, दोनों में से कोई भी एक statement false होगी तो result false होगा. तो इनमें से देखो ये Q false है, so you will get Q as false. You will get this P and, that is conjunction as false. False true will give you false, false false will give you false. Similarly, let's see disjunction. Disjunction is or, this is the symbol for disjunction. If both the statements are true, or if either of the statement is true, the result is true. If both the statements are false, then only the result is false. तीन चीजें बताई हैं. एक negation, negation में true का false, false का true. Second is conjunction, conjunction and, if either of the statement is false, the result is false. Okay, in third case